is that the effect will be negative at different levels. The consumer prices will go up because you have less supply from the cheaper markets. The substitute products that you can produce in your own economy will be more expensive because otherwise they would have come from there anyway. Plus then it will have an inflationary effect. So the effect will be on the kind of consumption side and will be on the economy as a whole through the inflational effects. And so tariffs as such are not really a means to achieve anything. They are a threat to get a conversation started. Because once tariffs are in place, then it will mean that the whole global economy and the supply chains will start to adjust to that.